Hello, Division 4. All right, so it brings us to page 143 and 144. And it kind of brings us full circle. We're ending off on 12s today, which is probably the most challenging for some because of just being the size of the number and ones that we don't use that often. Of course, with 24 hours in a day and 12 in the clock, we do associate, or dozens, we do associate a lot of things with 12. But for compared to twos and threes and fives and things like that, or 10, not nearly as much. So it says here, it says used a grid to count by 12s, circling each multiple. So basically just counting by your 12s, right? Start with the 12, and you know the next one's going to be 24. And you can carry on right through. You might see a pattern in that. Use the tables. Of course, once you've done this, you can transfer that just down to here. We know that 12 times 0 is 0, 12 times, and you just carry on with that. Okay. Now this one, once again, once you've done this to transfer to this, you can use this to help you with this. Or, as always, if you want to challenge yourself, don't look at that and just go straight into this, and knowing that 12 times 6, and actually trying to start doing your times tables, knowing that, well, 6 times 2 is 12. So you know it's going to end in a 2, right? And if you've known your times tables up here, you'll like, oh, which one ends in the 2? Which one's in the 2? And of course, you know it's 72. Then you can carry on with those. Down here, you probably recognize these ones where this is what you're asking yourself. 12 times what equals 24? Once again, you can use the top to help you to reinforce, or as always, you can just challenge yourself, and you're like thinking, how many times does 12 go into 24? And of course, it goes in twice. And then finally, we have our division. And once again, it's really no different than this, except you're in the way that it looks, and you're asking yourself, how many times does 12 go into 36, or what times 12 is 36? And you can count by 12 using the top, or once again, challenging yourself. And you know that 3 times. And if you notice where I put the 3 above the 6, because it's 12 goes into 36. 12 did not go into 3. 12 went to 36. All right. And then page 144, like I said, it's full circle. You recognize something like this when we began. But like I said, what I want you to do is not just count by these numbers, like just don't go your 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Try and challenge yourself. What you want to do is just kind of bang. 4 times 6, 24. Bang. 8 times 5, 40. That type of thing, right? 11 times 6, 66. And work that way. This way it'll challenge you a little bit, and also it will also reinforce the times tables that you should probably have a really good sense now as we move into higher multiplication and division. All right, until next time.